folks, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica if you're new here, and in today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite free fonts. I'm a bit of a font nerd. I love finding new and creative fonts to use on my projects. Most of them are available on sites like dafont.com or Font Squirrel. The fonts that I'm going to be showing you today, I use them all the time, whether it be for my YouTube thumbnails or just for little DIY projects that I'm working on. One of the best things about these sites is they really give you lots of examples. They show you exactly what the font is going to look like, all of the characters, the numbers, the letters, the accents, and this makes it really easy to know what you're getting before you decide to download the font. All of the fonts coming up in the video are linked down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Without further ado, here we go.